A tailor has 482 yards of fabric to make costumes. Each costume uses 6 yards of fabric. How many costumes can the tailor make? A tailor is a person who makes clothing. So he has 482 yards of fabric, and each yard requires 6, or each costume requires 6 yards. All right. Does McDonald's sell burgers? Remember, pause the video, try it on your own, do a step at a time, and then unpause. Use this as a resource. Okay, 4 divided by 6, can't do it. 48 divided by 6, 6 times 8 is 48. So if you know your times tables, division gets so much easier. So if you don't practice those times tables. Okay, multiply 8 times 6, 8, 0, bring down the 2. You're not done yet. You're only done when there's nothing to bring down, but we just brought something down, so you have to divide again. How many 6's go into 2? 0. And you have to put a 0. Here's how I know. If you just say, oh, remainder 2, we're done, then you're saying that 6 times 8 is 482. No way. 6 times 8 is 48. You need to put a 0 up here. And look, this makes a lot more sense. 6 times 80 is 480. So we're getting close now. So we just did division. 2 divided by 6 is 0. 0 times 6 is 0. That's the step. This step. Now we're done, because there's nothing else to bring down. Last time we had just brought the 2 down, so we couldn't just call it our remainder. We had to do it all again. You're only done when there's nothing left to bring down. So that's your remainder. And then I want you to figure out, okay, he can make 80 costumes, but then he has 2 yards of fabric left over, so can he make 81 costumes? Like, does this yard of fabric, these yards of fabric, help him if he needs 6 for each? That's what the remainder is. He has 2 yards left over. So you need to decide what the actual answer of the question is and how many costumes can he make.